Hello Year 9, I'm going to talk through how you're going to answer these shadow test questions and show you the model solutions. I'd like you to copy down the correct answers please and correct any of your incorrect working. I thought this would be the easiest way to do it given that I'm not in work today. Okay, so on the first question we're solving these equations. There's no need to show your working really, they are just 1 mark each, so just 1 mark for each of the correct answers hopefully. However, some of them I would do some working just to make sure that I was doing the right thing. So let's make a start. This first one, x plus 4 equals 6. If you have shown your working anywhere, what we would do to solve that one is subtract 4 from both sides of that equation, which would leave us just the x on the left, and it would leave us 2 on the right, so x equals 2. You can just put 2 on the answer line, but I would encourage writing this sort of thing, because when it comes to inequalities later, you do need to show this. You need to show the x and the inequality symbol. Okay, 2x equals 7. To solve this one, we would divide both sides of this equation by 2, because that would get rid of this multiplied by 2. So that would just give us 1x, or x. And over here, 7 doesn't divide by 2 by giving a whole number, so we can just put 7 over 2. Or you might have had 3.5. 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. Okay, this one, I'm just going to come down to this space and do this one here. 2x plus 5 equals 13. So what we would do to this one, this is a two-step equation. First thing we'd do is take away 5 from each side, which would leave us just the 2x on the left. This 5 is now gone, that's why we took away. And taking away 5 from 13 gives us 8. Then we would divide by 2, and that would give us x equals 4. Okay, on to D. I'm just going to do this one down here. So again, another two-step equation. First thing we're going to do is get rid of this minus 3 by adding 3 to each side. That gives us 3x equals, and if we do 15 plus 3, that's 18. Then we divide by 3 to get rid of this 3. And that leaves us x equals 6. And finally this one here. First thing I would do to this one is make my x's positive. At the moment they're negative. So I would add 2x to each side, which would just leave me 12 on the left. And adding 2x to 4 gives me 2x plus 4. There's no other way I can write that other than 4 plus 2x. I can't combine them because they're not like terms. Now I've made my 2x's positive. Okay, now I'd go about it like any other, get rid of the 4 next by minusing 4. So that gives me 8 on the left equals 2x on the right, and then divide by 2, giving me 4 on the left equal to my 1x. So x is 4. Okay, watch the next video for the next question.